Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co daily futures market review for the trading day ending Wednesday, July 30th. Moving next to NYMEX Oil, and here we've seen important trading activity today. The sellers have come into this market very strongly, following the market for the previous day's trading, finding resistance around the Tenkan-sen indicator and selling off. The very large black body denotes the sellers closing with control, being very strongly committed, and importantly closing down below that 100 round number level of support. It's the most important number here. And we can see here previously, the last time the market tested there, we were rejected from there very strongly. Now, very different trading here. The bias here is more to the downside with this close down below the $100 level and also a strong bearish close, so it's suggesting that we could see some follow through. Now the thing here is that we do want to see follow through. What we want to see is strong early bearish activity down below there, and possibly below this swing low, which is extended down below that 100 level down to about the roughly about the 99 level. If we see strong early bearish activity down below there, we could see the market quickly testing down to around the 98 level. But at the moment, as this market is trading in this new session, we're seeing price action rejected from around that 99 area. So a possibility that we may not see the follow through that we'd like. But we do have a bearish market in all three time frames, bearish in the long term, medium and fast term time frames, and supported by the Chica span. So that bearish bias is suggesting that if the sellers are strong enough and if they want it enough, they can trade down through that level. Now the problem here for the buyers here too is if we rally up to the 100 level, we could see that area hold as resistance. So some interesting trading coming up for NYMEX Oil over the next couple of trading sessions. Moving next to wheat futures, and following that very strong bearish breakout down below the 526 level from the previous day where the sellers had control, we've seen the buyers come back into the market. Not solidly, they weren't able to change the trend, but it is an inside day in bar chart terms, and something of a hook reversal in bar chart terms, so potential for the trend to change. And we've seen a white body candle where the buyers have closed with upside momentum in net terms, and they've closed with control. So a very good possibility of the trend changing to the upside. Also, we've closed above the 526 level. Now the problem here for the buyers is the Tenkan-sen here is likely to hold as very strong resistance for the market, and that's roughly around the 531, 530 level at the moment. So potential for strong resistance there. If we see a strong bullish breakout above there and some follow through, we could see the market testing up to the Kijun-sen and the 557 level. Now this is also a potential bullish harami pattern. That's where we have the prior downtrend in place. We have the larger black body, the white body that's within the body of the previous body, and suggesting a very strong possibility of a change of trend. But of course, with as with all of these candlestick reversal patterns, we want confirmation, and that would be a candle with a higher high and a higher low. But the thing is here that any potential reversal here to the upside has very strong overhead resistance. Firstly at the Tenkan-sen indicator, and we can see here the last time that the market rallied, we saw indecisiveness enter the market and then the sellers come in strongly. So we will be looking for that. One thing in favour of the buyers here, and it's really about the weakness of the sellers, is that now for the third occasion we've tested down below this 526 level, and we haven't really traded down through the 516 level. We've traded around this 526 area, and we haven't seen the trend develop as dynamically as we've seen in the recent past. We're starting to see some congestion, but the problem here is that the rallies are just not strong enough. The Tenkan-sen here is holding as strong resistance, but a strong rally up through the Tenkan-sen and a close above the Tenkan-sen may herald a significant change in sentiment. But let's not preempt the market. Let's wait and see how the market reacts around these levels.